If sashimi and sushi rolls make you happy or maybe steak fan ka, here's a solid recommendation. Hey friends, we're here at Shokuji sa Green Hills and ang ganda ng place nila, 'di ba? Sa food, start natin dito sa 8 kind sashimi. Absolute favorites ko yung hamachi and scallops. Good quality din yung salmon, tuna, squid, mackerel, and octopus. Uni, I usually love but this one wasn't as sweet and creamy. Now yung rolls nila are my favorites. Nakakahappy both the Shokuji roll and Emperor's Maki. Love all the flavors and textures. Big fan din ako ng steaks nila. Of course, yung Wagyu ang sarap. Well, marbled, tender, and very beefy. But even the ribeye pepper steak na mas affordable, natuwa na ako. Tender and perfectly cooked. The sauce, ang sarap. Napakain ako ng marami nito. Now, here are the other dishes that I like. Salmon crispy rice. Love the texture of the rice. Each grain is puffed and crispy. As a wings person, na-enjoy ko yung Tebasaki wings. The coating is light and crispy and friends, boneless siya. Yung build your own bento ang sulit for the amount you get and the quality.